Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated method on how to lock your Instagram app for enhanced security. To begin, you'll need to download an app locker such as App Lock, Fingerprint, or any other similar app available on the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device to initiate the setup process. Tap on Start within the App Locker interface to configure the locking feature for your apps. You'll be prompted to set up a pattern or add your fingerprint for authentication. Confirm your chosen pattern or fingerprint. Navigate to the App Lock option within the App Locker settings. Select Instagram from the list of installed apps that you want to secure with an additional layer of protection. From now on, whenever you try to open the Instagram app on your device, you'll be required to input the pattern or use your fingerprint for verification. By following these steps, you can effectively lock your Instagram app using the updated method, ensuring that your account and content remain safe and private. This feature adds an extra level of security to your Instagram usage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Instagram app.